In this video, I will show how to draw a rectangle with dimensions in SketchUp. First, to draw a rectangle, select Rectangle Tools from toolbar. Click to set first point of rectangle. Then type dimension 5 feet for along red axis and 6 feet for along green axis. Then press enter. To check dimension of the rectangle, click tools from menu bar, then select dimension, click on side of rectangle, to display the dimension, click another side of rectangle to display dimension. Now I will show you a shortcut method of draw rectangle. Press R on keyboard to active rectangle tool. Then click to set first point of rectangle. Then give dimension 5 feet for along red axis and 6 feet for along green axis. Then press enter. Thank you for watching my